Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all once again to my channel in English. This is about the upcoming 2022 New Year predictions. Right from the first zodiac sign Aries to Pisces, we'll be seeing the predictions for this 2022, a separate videos for each and every zodiac sign. Unlike the previous years, let us hope this 2022 brings you all good fortune, prosperity, happiness, everything. I wish you all a very happy 2022 ahead. Now we will see the planetary positions during the beginning of the 2022 as well as the end of 2022. If you are new to this channel, keep the channel subscribed so that you can get my updates instantly. Also share my videos to your friends and groups. This year 2022, we will be seeing two major transit. One is Rahu Ketu, which is on 12th of April 2022, where Rahu moves from Taurus to Aries. As you all know, Rahu Ketu moves in a backward direction, that is anti-clockwise. So, from 12th onwards till the end of the year, Rahu will be in the Aries, that is the first zodiac sign. So if you consider the 12 months of 2022, the major period of Rahu is based on Aries rather than from Taurus. So in Taurus we will be having the effect of Rahu just for 3 months. Also there will be Jupiter transit. We have already seen about the Jupiter transit recently on November 20th. Now again Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. And stays there for long till this year. So these two major transit which will definitely have a major impact. So Jupiter also in a major portion it will be there on the Pisces, and in Aquarius it will be just for 3 months and 12 days like Rahu Ketu. Considering the effect of Rahu on Taurus and Ketu on Scorpio, again considering the Jupiter's position at the Aquarius, which is very short time of 3 months and 12 days, and the next day transit where Rahu moves to Taurus to Aries and be there for almost 8 months, and Ketu moves from Scorpio to Libra and it will be there for almost the similar 8 months. Jupiter again moves to Pisces and be there for 8 months. So considering all these effects, we will be seeing the predictions for each and every zodiac sign. Now, on the 1st of January 2022, if you see the planetary position, Moon is there on the Jyeshtha star of Mercury. So you can see Ketu along with Moon and Mars on Scorpio. On Sagittarius you can see Sun along with Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn as a ruler along with Mercury, and Jupiter is there at the Aquarius and Rahu is there at Taurus. This is the position of the planets during the year 1st of January 2022. And you see on 31st of December 2022, the position, as you see, Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces, and you can see Moon is along with Rahu at Aries, Mars is there at Taurus, and Ketu is there at Libra. And in Sagittarius you can see Sun and Mercury, and in Capricorn Venus is there along with Saturn. So during that period it is Ashwini star, that is star of Ketu. So this is a position at the end of the year. On the beginning of the year, where Moon is seated at the Mercury star and Mercury is along with Saturn, and Saturn being a ruler there, and Saturn is associated with the Mercury, a standalone planet. It gives positive effects to the Saturn. So it gives Saturn a much powerful positive energy. So you can see this year starts in a very positive note. Same way, the end of the year, Venus makes Saturn more positive. So the effects we can see from Saturn during the beginning and the end of the year, Saturn becomes very calm and it is more functionally positive. We can see a lot of changes during this year. Good things can happen. many job opportunities, and Saturn being the ruler at the 10,000 with a very positive note. Rahu being functionally strong at Aries, which is the house of Mars. This year we can expect a lot of changes in the land reforms. Many land reforms will get introduced and a lot of land related problems may creep up, especially due to the landsliding problem, earthquakes. Major natural calamities are based on the land. The land price might increase, so we can expect a slight inclination in the price of land, and there are many regulations also. You can see on Pisces, Jupiter is there, so there are a lot of opportunity from foreign countries, and our country can get good revenue out of the trade. As Saturn aspects the Jupiter at Pisces, in certain places there may be a symptom of war. So you can see there may be some disturbances between certain countries which may lead to a small civil war or somewhere. Jupiter aspecting 4th, 6th and 8th houses as per the Kalapurusha Tattva. So the major places which becomes highly strong, we can expect a good investments return during this period. Share market may rise up, there will be good amount of inflow of money, foreign investments might increase, and it aspects the 6th house. Our country can grow better, win out of certain challenges and lead in certain places. Enmities will get decreased during this time. Lot of foreign investments can happen during this time. Lot of good things can also happen. Many job opportunities help the people unemployed to get employment. There are good employment opportunities. Good regulations in the agriculture side. So some of the positive note which we can expect in 2022. Now let us see for each and every zodiac sign the impact of the 2022 based on the planets. Virgo, the 6th zodiac sign. For Virgo, this new year 2022 seems to be very much average. So we can't expect a drastic change or improvement. At the same time, there is no big downfall also. See, the second house, the majority of the time Ketu is associated. So it's not so good, and to an extent Jupiter aspects the second house from Aquarius. So it seems to be good. Their communication power will improve, but at the same time they should be careful in the rest of the period from April onwards. So they may find some slippery in their communication, they may find some trouble in their communication, and those who are taking communication as a base in their work, they should be very much careful during this period. And see, Saturn is highly strong in the 5th house. So far Jupiter was controlling the Saturn. Now Saturn becomes functionally negative in the 5th house. So those who are having children, they may be having problem with the children. The children's growth, there may be some problems. They may have difficulties in the studies. Some of them find diseases. Some of them may not listen to the parents. There's a lot of problems they have to face. Those who are expecting childbirth for very long, this year is not so favorable for them. The position of Jupiter seems to be good, as majority of the period it is there in the 7th house. So a lot of opportunities we can expect for Virgo. Those who are unmarried for very long and looking for good alliances, this period from April onwards they can get a good and suitable alliance and they can get settled in their life. Those who are doing partnership business, this period seems to be highly favorable for them, especially those who are doing agriculture business, those who are into the education industry, mainly who are doing the education as a base, like for running the tutorial institutes, running their own schools and colleges, they can find this particular year more profitable for them. Some of them may turn out to be technology oriented schools. For example, they have been doing so far a systematic and old traditional way of teaching, which they migrate into the new technology based teaching, like they will go into the certain new inventions. They try to meet the students through social media or through video conferencing. They'll try to do the gatherings in different ways. So some of the innovations we can expect, and lot of improvements they'll do in the IT side. Those who are working in the IT departments, those who are working in IT companies, this year seems to be very much favorable for them. They will bring in lot of changes in the mechanism. So some of the automation process they can bring in during this period. So it seems to be favorable in those areas. If you see Rahu is at the 8th house. To an extent it is good, but it is not so bad, but it gives average power to in the 8th house. So from 8th house it starts aspecting the 2nd house. So there are chances some of them can get some foreign opportunities. Some of them they can buy loan and they can establish their business, but at the same time there may be risky in their approach. Some may try to take more loans. So they may expand their business, try to take advantage and try to bring in lot of money, but they borrow a lot of money, but at the same time they may not be in a position to settle down the money, due to which they have stress, they may have some health issues, lot of problems also they need to face during this period. 11th house, both Jupiter as well as Saturn aspecting the 11th house, so we can't expect a good profit during this period. So this year, those who are working, they may not get a good amount of salary. Some of them may find a dip in their salary. So those who are aspiring for more opportunities, this particular year they may not get the salary as expected, unless a person having a very strong Mahadasa or Antardasa running in the personal horoscope, and during this period, this will not have much influence. But if they are not having a proper Dasa or Antardasa running, then they may have to undergo all these troubles. Some of them who are trying for foreign chances, they may get a good opportunity during this period. Those who want to study in the foreign countries, this time they can apply and they can try to relocate to any country as they expect. Those who are not having a good job so far, who are trying for a better job opportunities, this particular year there are a lot of chances they may enter into a dream job. They can apply and get good companies also. In this particular year, many youngsters can get good job opportunity. Those who are graduated from colleges, they can get opportunities through campus and they get selected also. As 9th and 10th house seems to be equally strong, some of them can do their father's business. Some of them can take their father's business or their eldest brother's business and they will join with them and start doing the business. So this could be profitable for them. 4th house seems to be strong and investments in assets can bring them good returns during this period. Some of them can find a reasonable profit by investing in share market or purchasing ornaments like gold, silver, diamonds, etc. So by buying and selling, they can find good returns. Some of them can buy their own house, they can construct their own house, they can at least remodify their existing house. Some of them can buy vehicles and lot of good things can happen. And their hard work, their enmities, they can win out during this period. Those who are doing the business, especially in IT related business, those who are selling computers or renting the computers, laptops, this is the right time. This particular year, they can find a good rise in the volume of business. Some of the spiritual leaders, Upanyasakas and religious preachers, they may get some good support during this particular year. Those who are interested to join in military or army or in navy, those who wanted to join in police department, they can get a suitable placement. Those who are working in the IT industry with teaching as a base, like who are trainers in IT industries, they can get very good opportunity. Even they can travel foreign countries also. So the communication on certain areas they can succeed because the Ketu will try to help them out in scaling their level. Some of them can totally change their way of working from one department to another department. Some of the government related jobs can help them a positive results. So those who are willing to join in government jobs, if their personal horoscope is very strong, they can get some good government jobs also. The politicians and social workers can find a suitable and a very interesting time during this period. their name and fame can get established. They will be known across by all their friends and their relatives. When you see this planetary positions for Virgo, the second house, the 8th house and the 11th house seems to be affected as Ketu and Rahu are associated in 2nd and 8th houses. And in 5th house, Saturn is very strong and it is highly affected, and it aspects the 11th house, so 11th house is also affected to an extent. Even though Jupiter aspects the 11th house, so you can say these 4 houses are to an extent affected, and 5th house is highly affected. Jupiter is very good in 7th house and it can give all the benefits from the 7th house, so there's a good support from the family, friends, neighbors and life partners. Those who are unmarried can get settled down in their life, so business can improve. So a lot of things can happen during this particular period, but at the same time when you see the profit level is not much increased during this time, so to an extent it is good. The zodiac sign is also good as Jupiter aspecting it directly, so a lot of health issues can improve. And third house seems to be good as Jupiter aspecting that house, so a lot of hard work. They have to win only based on their hard work. Those who have exhibited their hard work, they can succeed in this year, but those who are lazy and don't take challenges, they may not find a profitable or a good period this 2022. The rest of those houses like 12th house, 4th house, 6th house, 9th and 10th houses seems to be average. So there won't be much difficulties in these areas, like 12th house is not affected much. So they can spend some sound, they have a sound sleep, they won't have much troubles in their expenses. 4th house seems to be good average, so there can be a reasonable profit by assets, and there will be good support from the children, the education will be good up to 12th. And 6th house is average, so there won't be much enmity, there won't be much diseases also, so to an extent it is good. And 7th house Jupiter is very strong and its aspects the zodiac, so they have their willpower, their courage will improve. And 9th and 10th house seem to be good, so good support from the father side family, there is a good support from the mother also, and there will be good business from the father side or the elder brothers, they can support them a lot. Those who are working in a company, their life will be average, and those who are seeking for a better job opportunity or those who are jobless and looking for a job opportunity, this year they can get good job opportunities. Some may get associated with a government job. This particular year, farmers in this particular zodiac sign can flourish well, and those who are in the teaching line, they can, to an extent they can do their business well. And the 11th house and the 12th house is to an extent good, but 11th house is affected to an extent. So the expenses is more when compared to income. So the income is not so much as expected. So they may not get the money in time, the salary may not come in time. The business, the fund will be there, but they want the profit will be there in books, but they may not be in a position to reap the benefits. These are some of the difficulties for Virgo during this 2022. So comparing all the positions, the planets on all the houses, it looks an average year for 2022 for Virgo. We can expect up to 75% positive.